Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on profit and loss. Today we are going to revise the topics like profit percentage and loss percentage calculation and calculation of cost price and selling price. Okay. So these are all the problems we are going to discuss. So how to determine the profit percentage and loss percentage and how to calculate the selling price and cost price if other two values are given. So the first problem, the cost price of skirt is rupees 200 and selling price is rupees 250. Calculate the profit percentage. Okay. So the profit percentage is given by the formula selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100 percentage, right? So here the selling price is 250, right? Selling price is 250 and the cost price is 200. Okay, so selling price is 250, cost price is 200. So use that in the formula and determine the value. So 250 minus 200 is 50 divided by 200 into 100 percentage, right? So let me use the calculator and determine the value. So the value is 50 divided by 200 into 100 percentage. So it is around 25 percentage. Okay. So the profit percentage is 25 percentage. Okay. So next problem, and they have given that Anish bought a bag for rupees 750 and sold it for rupees 675. Okay. So since he bought the bag for this price, it is going to be a cost price, and he sold it for this price, which is nothing but your selling price. Okay, so the cost price is higher when compared to selling price. Definitely we will get loss only. Okay, so loss percentage is given by cost price minus selling price divided by cost price into 100 percentage. So what is the cost price? It is around 750 minus selling price is 675 divided by 750 into 100 percentage, right? So 750 minus 675. So let me use a calculator. Okay, so you have 750 minus 675, which is nothing but 75. Okay, and this value divided by 750, okay, into 100 percentage, which is nothing but 10 percentage. So loss percentage is equal to 10 percentage for this problem. Okay. So next problem, money buys a fridge for rupees 45,000. For how much should he sell it to get a gain of around 8 percentage? Okay. So what and all they have given? Money buys a fridge for rupees 45,000. So this is nothing but cost price. And how much should he sell? Okay, that is we need to find out selling price. And the gain of 8 percentage is given. Okay, so selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into the cost price. This is the selling price formula. So selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percentage is around 8 divided by 100 into the cost price is 45,000. Okay, so the numerator is 108 divided by 100 into 45,000. So let me use a calculator. So the value is 108 divided by 100 which is equal to 1.08 into the cost price. So it is around 45,000. So which comes around 48,600, which is going to be the selling price. Okay. So since he has gained around 8%, the cost price is less when compared to the selling price. So moving on to the next question, by selling a pen drive for rupees 990, Mohana gains around 12.5%. So find out the cost price of the pen drive. So here they have given that selling price is around 990, right? So this is nothing but selling price, and they have obtained again gain percentage is given. We need to find out the cost price. So cost price formula is 100 divided by 100 plus the gain percentage. So if they have given the gain percentage, we have to use plus gain percentage. Suppose in the same problem, if they have given loss, we have to use minus loss percentage. Okay. So into the selling price. So here the value is 100 divided by 100 plus 12.5 into the selling price. Selling price is around 990. Okay. So numerator is 100. Here we get 112.5 into 990. Okay. So let me use a calculator. So 100 divided by 112.5 into 990, which is around 880. So the cost price is nothing but 880. Okay. So likewise the previous problem also, here instead of gain, if they have given loss percentage, we have to use minus loss percentage here. Okay. That is only the change in the formula if they have given loss percentage. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.